papunta kami guys sa Siamese store dito sa Nanjing on the way. Ganda ng mga roads dito, ang daming puno. Tayo sa Sam's Club, ayan. Okay, laki. Laki na itong store na to. This is how it looks like in Sam's. So many products. I bought this avocado oil. It's just 70 RMB for 1 liter. Yeah. There's so many cakes here. Cakes and some more cakes. It looks very delicious. This one, Nutella inside. Nutella. So, fresh protein. Vegetables. Bitter food. Oh, it's already so healing. Lettuce. Chinese choice. Avocados. Avocado is 60 for 6 pieces. So, ito yung pinamili namin. We have a roasted chicken, green mango, water spinach, rice, salmon, passion fruit, baba, and fish. Okay, Sam's Cafe. Meron silang Caesar salad, burger, Chinese burger, city timber, black roll, beef bake roll, a bucket of chicken. That's there. Some tacos, Korean crab.